हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 7 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के यूनिट 2 द सेंटेंस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। वर्कशीट 1, रीड केयरफुली द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स टेकन फ्रॉम द यूनिट अचीवर्स सब यूनिट हेलन केलर फ्रॉम माई इंग्लिश रीडर क्लास 7। स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मेरे चैनल पर इंग्लिश रीडर के भी सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे, तो उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। हेलन केलर वाज बोर्न इन अल्बामा। हेलन वाज ए नॉटी गर्ल। एवरी क्लाउड हैज ए सिल्वर lining. Most deaf people cannot talk. She died at the age of 88. These groups of words make complete sense. Remember, a group of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. Now write down the name of the person or thing being spoken of in each sentence. The first one has been done as an example. Helen Keller. Second sentence, Helen. Third, every cloud. Fourth, most deaf people. Fifth, sea. Each of the words you have written down in the subject of the respective sentence. Remember, the part of the sentence which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called the subject. Now write down the parts of the sentences that tell us something about the subject. The first one has been done as an example. Was born in Alabama. Second हो जाएगा was a naughty girl. Third, has a silver lining. Fourth, cannot talk. Fifth, died at the age of 88. Remember, the part of the sentences that tell us something about the subject are called the predicate. Worksheet 2. Some predicates are given below. Match them with their subject on page 14 and write meaningful sentences. नीचे आप लोगों को कुछ प्रेडिकेट्स दिए गए हैं। इन प्रेडिकेट्स को सब्जेक्ट के साथ मैच करके मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है। नेक्स्ट पेज में देखते हैं हम लोग। बार्किंग डॉग्स डोंट ऑलवेज बाइट। द मीट स्मेल्स बैड। माई फ्रेंड बिलीव्स इन ट्रूथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस। Lobsters have blue blood. An owl can turn its head in a complete circle. Credit cards are very convenient. The Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. The frightened rabbit hid in a bush. Underline the subject in the sentences given below. Whatever the reason, one should never lie. 1. Mustering courage, she attacked the witch. See. Out came the sun after a heavy downpour. Came the sun. Over the fields, the horse galloped. The horse. Is the subject written in the beginning of these sentences too? Remember, the subject does not always come in the beginning of a sentence. Worksheet 3. Read these sentences from the unit Achievers sub-unit Sudha Chandran from my English reader class 7. A truck hit our bus. I had dreamed of becoming a great dancer. Their attitude had changed. I was in a state of shock. How did you react to this sudden blow? What were your feelings after the operation? What was the meeting with Dr. Sethi a turning point? Do you have a message for the readers? Do you notice a difference between sentences in 1 and those in 2? Sentences in 1 make statement, while those in 2 ask question. Remember, sentences that make a statement are assertive sentences, while those that ask a question are interrogative sentences. Worksheet 4. Write down any 4 dates that bring some special memory alive to you. Show these dates to your partner. Your partner will ask you a question that you must answer. One has been done for you. Date 12th August 2008. Your partner. Why is this an important day for you? You. I won my first gold medal. Date 4th May 2014. Your partner. Why is this an important day for you? You. My sister got married. Date 10th December 2015. Your partner. Why is this an important date for you? You. I went to Simla with my family. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि मैं जो लिखवा रही हूँ वही लिखे, आप अपने मन से भी लिख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। डेट 5th January 2018. योर पार्टनर. वाई इज दिस एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डे फॉर यू? यू. आई वॉन्ट फर्स्ट प्राइज इन ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन. वर्कशीट 5. वर्क इन पेयर्स. रीड द पैसेज गिवन हियर. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं इसे रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ। इमेजिन यू आर ए डिटेक्टिव इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग सर माइकल्स डेथ. व्हाट क्वेश्चंस विल यू आस्क? What ideas do you have about how Sir Michael died? Write here the questions you wish to ask. One question has been given as an example. What time did Sir Michael have his dinner? What did he have in his dinner? With whom had he dinner? Had he taken any dessert after the dinner? What time did he go to study? Who saw him shutting down the window? Who took coffee to his room? How did Mrs. Hook break the door? Who was there to help her while breaking the door? Who called the police? Remember, questions that begin with question words like what, who, why, whom, where or when require more information and are called WH questions. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 6. Using the expressions given in the blurbs, frame questions and write them in the table given on the next page. One has been done for you. Question. What happens when we add blue to yellow? Answers. It turns green. Where is the Taj Mahal? It is in India. What happens when an egg is boiled for 6 minutes? It turns hard. What is the difference between a nail and a bad boxer? One is knocked in and the other knocked out. How many players are in a cricket team? 11. What would happen if the sun lost its heat? All living things would die. Where was Tolstoy born? In Russia. Worksheet 7. Work with your partner. Let your partner think of something, an animal, a vegetable, a mineral or some abstract thing. Ask questions to find out what your partner has thought of. Then you think of something and your partner asks you questions. Take turns to do this activity. One example has been given to help you. You. It is made of wood. Partner. No. You. Can you eat? Partner. No. You. Do you have it? Partner. I can feel it. You. Is it happiness? Partner. Yes. You. Can it walk? Partner. No. You. Is it made of gold? Partner. Yes. You. Can you chew it? Partner. No. Worksheet 8. Are you green? Work with your partner to find out. Write appropriate sentences in the space provided. The first two has been done for you. You like magazines and read 2 or 3 a week. What do you do with your old magazines? Give them to your friend to read. Burn them in the garden. Take them to the paper bank to be recycled. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। You buy food at your local shop. How do you carry it home? Ask the shop for a cardboard box to carry it in. Ask the shop to deliver it. Bring your own bag with you. You have bought some smart new clothes. What will you do with old clothes? Sell them and buy more new clothes with the money. Give them to a charity organization. like the Red Cross or a charity home. Give them to servant for his use. You live 5 kilometers from the place where you study. How do you get there each day? Ride a bicycle, go by bus, go by rickshaw. You have just spent a lovely day having a picnic on the beach. What do you do with the food you have not eaten? Throw in the sea for the birds and fish to eat. Give it to beggars. Pack it and bring it back home. Tomorrow is your examination. What preparations have you made? Went through the chapters again. Prepared important points which can be revised at last moment. Checked if pen, pencil, rubber, everything is kept in the geometry box. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters, full stops, commas and question marks wherever required. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, इसे मैं रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ. Read the paragraph given below. Using a pen, insert capital letters, comma, full stops and question marks wherever required. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. Worksheet 11. Put a full stop, comma, question mark or exclamation mark in the following sentences wherever required. I love the seaside. Full stop. What are you doing? Question mark. Happy birthday, comma, grandma, exclamation. This is my friend, comma, Ami. Full stop. That is radicals. Full stop. What a terrible sight, exclamation. Where is it? Question mark. I wish I could go out to play. Full stop. He is a good friend. Full stop. Are you crazy? Question mark. Next देखते हैं do it yourself. Look at the words phrases given below. They are in a jumble order. Rearrange them to make meaningful sentences. One has been done for you. I am interested in joining the sports and recreation club. Second, what are the rules for its members and its membership? Oh, are not there too many rules? Is there anything more you would like to know? Members must not give or lend their membership cards to non-members. Members have to wear suitable clothing for every event. If anyone wishes to join the club, she has to be supported by 2 members. Look at the picture given below and complete the dialogue that follows. There is an example to help you. Raghav, let's look at this map. It is a map of the Taravilla Island located in the Pacific. Sujata, it is really interesting. What is that in the middle of the island? Raghav, there is a castle in the middle of the island. It's look majestic. Sujata, oh yes, there is a waterfall in the southeast. Raghav, what are those numbered 4 and 8? Sujata, there are caves. Behind the hills are forests. Raghav, there must be a lot of creatures inhabiting the forest, I guess. Are there dolphins on the island? Sujata, yes, the map indicates the presence of seagulls on the island. Dolphins are shown to be near the sea beach. Raghav, what can you see from the lookout point on the hills? Sujata, I can see 2 ships moving in the direction of the island. So I think people must be visiting it. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का ये वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशनल वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ और क्लासमेट्स के साथ वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। और भी सब्जेक्ट पे एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सॉल्यूशन वीडियोज़ अपलोड है तो उन वीडियोज़ को भी जरूर देख लीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।